How to use mind hacking, following the right path, 144 tips to thrive in the new world order. Before you dig in, let me lay down some ground rules that will guide you through the best and most effective manner in which you should use this book. This isn't a self-help book, as it attempts to dive deeper into the subconscious mind to unlock your innate abilities. You don't need help, you seek guidance. I have come to the conclusion that most modern self-help materials are designed to do the exact opposite of what its intention. Help. Mind hacking does what it's intended to do, as it was designed to unlock what you already know and understand deep down within the inner self, and connect you with your higher self. I believe that self-help books and other materials causes the consumer to go backwards, while here in this book you will be aided in moving forward. Mind hacking aids in helping the reader, you, to work in a manner that reconnects you to all of the abilities you already possess, not to give you something no one has the power to give. Thus, while using mind hacking, you should focus on the idea that nothing in this book is new. Think of the philosophies within the pages of this book as information you already know and understand. But that has been buried under layer after layer of social programming. Yes, you must come to the understanding right now, or while reading this book, that you have been programmed to behave in a modality of failure. You, the reader, must wake up to the possibility that everything you think you know and understand about the world is nothing more than a program designed to hide truth. Real truth, not your programmed perception of truth. Your mind has been hacked by an elite-built system that wishes you stay exactly where you are in life, or even move further back on your journey, not forwards. The system that all of us were born into was designed to create slave-minded human beings who do exactly what they are told by the system. This is why so many people can't find success in life. The system we all are a part of wants us to stay on a hamster wheel that we believe is moving forward, but is actually standing still. With the acceptance of this new knowledge, you will be able to use this book to its fullest, and it will benefit you more than any self-help book or material you've engaged in thus far in your life. Here are 5 ways to use mind hacking most efficiently and effectively. 1. Don't try to read mind hacking too quickly. It is a best practice to read this book one philosophy at a time, and only one per day. This allows the information to sink in and be analyzed by the mind for maximum positive results. 2. You can read one philosophy more than once. However, you should not engage in the same philosophical point for more than one day, as the next day you must move to the next point. When you do this, you are training in the habit of moving your mind from one point to another, or from the negativity social programming to a new self-built positivity program. 3. Be brave in letting each of the philosophical explorations unlock past and current traumas. The information which you are currently holding as truth is only partial truths, and should be treated as mostly lies that are working against your success, not for it. 4. It is fine to randomly move around mind hacking, however, be sure to record where you've been so you know where to go. Some of the 144 mind hacking philosophies will carry more weight than others, as the book is written to meet you at the level you are currently, and move you forward from that point. 5. Give it time. Give mind hacking time to work for you. You weren't programmed overnight, and it's going to take some of you longer than others to hack into the current negative social program. Allow for some backward steps. When you falter, and you will, do not stop the process. There will be a breakthrough coming soon. Enjoy the journey. That's it. You can now get on your way to building a mind that will be shielded from the constant onslaught of negative programming, trying to assure you remain in the herd of the slave-minded. Welcome to mind hacking.